in Ghana, and we need to work with parents in order that whilst the students are in school, teachers must be vested absolute right and authority to moderate their behavior and conduct as is expected. So we expect that parents will cooperate with school management and heads in ensuring and facilitating discipline. And as I am reported to have said somewhere publicly, it is not about that student having access to the weapon, but the danger of what he can use the weapon for an innocent, unknowing other person who is undergoing his personal career development, who may fall victim to the unacceptable behavior and conduct of that other person. In order to protect those others,